friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to prepare a recipe which I am going to take from one famous cooking magazine called Hangla Hneshel from there. The name is called Nababi Khichuri. So definitely it's Nababi because we are putting chicken, we are putting prawn. You can say it's a one pot meal. It's very easy, only cook one pot and your job is done. And it goes very well with raita or salad. So let me go ahead and let's prepare this Nababi Khichuri. Here I took 4 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot enough, I'll add 2 big chopped onion. Once the onion is medium fried, change the color. Time to add potato, which I cut in a big cubes. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and fry it nicely. After a few minutes of frying, I'll add here chicken. Now I'll add other spices, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chilli paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And I'll fry these spices with chicken in medium flame. Fry this chicken for 5 to 7 minutes in medium heat. Now reduce the heat and fry it another 5 minutes till the oil starts coming out from the chicken. Now I'll add prawn. As it is a Nababi Khichuri, here chicken and prawn both will go together. In low heat, I'll fry another 5 to 7 minutes. Now time to add coconut milk. This gives little bit creamy texture in this khichuri and gives some sweetened taste. Mix everything nicely and I will leave it for 10 to 12 minutes to get everything cooked properly in low heat. Let me prepare the rice part now. Here I took 1 teaspoon ghee and I'll add cashew nut. I'll fry it till it changes the color. Now my cashew nuts are fried. It gives a nice color. In the same pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee and I'll add 2 bay leaves. Here I washed and drained the water from this rice and I'll add it here. I'll fry this rice now. Here I'll add pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and I'll fry everything nicely. While frying, this rice color gives a nice color and the texture gets changed. In this Nababi Khichuri, you need chana dal as well. So I soaked and boiled chana dal here and which I'll add now. Once everything fries properly, now time to add water. Here as I took 3 cups of rice, I am adding 4 cups of water. After adding water, just bring it to boil. Add few green chilies. Now our rice is perfectly ready. Now my chicken is almost done, cooked. Now time to add this rice into this chicken. Give it a good mix. Cover it now and leave it for 10 to 12 minutes in low heat. So after 12 minutes, switch off the gas and leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Our Nababi Khichuri is ready. Perfectly ready. You can see potato is cooked, rice grains are cooked, chicken is cooked, and it's not sticky at all. Now time to garnish it. So garnish with those fried cashew nuts which I fried earlier. So sprinkle this fried cashew nut on top of this your Nababi Khichuri. It's done. So my Nababi Khichuri is ready. You can enjoy with your family with your special raita or salad or without anything. So only a simple twist I gave it here. In Hangla Hneshel recipe is mentioned they used boneless chicken. I didn't use boneless chicken. I used normal chicken, normal bone with bone one. So you can use whatever you want there. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.